Ever wondered why some diabetics avoid kidney issues while others struggle? The answer could lie in what they eat every day. Most diabetics are unaware of this life-changing strategy, but today you'll uncover the 7 fruits that can make all the difference. In 7th place, let's start with a hydrating delight that's more powerful than you might think. Watermelon. Watermelon is a rich source of hydration, vital for maintaining optimal kidney function. For diabetics, its low glycemic index ensures blood sugar stability while keeping you refreshed. Watermelon contains high water content and citrulline, an amino acid that helps improve blood flow and reduce kidney strain. Think of it as a natural hydrator that keeps your kidneys in motion. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition highlights that increased hydration levels significantly reduce the risk of kidney stones and promote overall kidney health. Citrulline acts like a gentle flush for your kidneys, helping to keep toxins at bay while supporting blood flow. Enjoy watermelon as a snack, blend it into a refreshing smoothie, or add chunks to your salads for a burst of flavor and hydration. Including watermelon in your diet is a simple and delicious way to stay hydrated and support your kidney health effortlessly. In 6th place, here's a fruit that's as humble as it is powerful. Apples, your kidney's unsung protector. Apples are rich in pectin, which helps lower blood sugar levels and ease kidney strain. They also reduce cholesterol, further supporting kidney health. Pectin in apples acts like a sponge, soaking up harmful toxins and cholesterol. This gives your kidneys a much-needed break from overwork. Research from Harvard Medical School demonstrates that regular apple consumption helps reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease, CKD, by improving metabolic health. Pectin is like a filter for your body, catching harmful substances before they can stress your kidneys. Slice apples into your oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or simply enjoy them fresh as a snack. An apple a day isn't just a saying, it's a step towards healthier kidneys and a better life. In 5th place, let's explore a tiny fruit with mighty benefits. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants and anthocyanins, which protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major issues for diabetics. The anthocyanins in blueberries act like a protective shield, reducing free radicals that can damage kidney cells. They also help maintain stable blood sugar levels. A study from the National Kidney Foundation found that regular consumption of blueberries reduces inflammation markers associated with kidney disease. Anthocyanins are like tiny warriors, defending your kidneys against damage and keeping them functioning smoothly. Add blueberries to your yogurt, sprinkle them over cereal, or eat them as a snack straight out of the fridge. Blueberries are proof that good things come in small packages. Supporting your kidney health has never been easier or tastier. In 4th place, discover a citrus superstar that fights kidney stones and supports overall health. Oranges. Oranges are high in citrate, a compound that prevents kidney stones from forming. They also provide a boost of vitamin C to strengthen your immune system. Citrate in oranges binds with calcium in the urine, stopping the formation of kidney stones. Meanwhile, vitamin C enhances your body's ability to heal and fight off infections. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that increased citrate intake from natural sources like oranges reduces kidney stone recurrence by 20%. Citrate is like a safety net, catching excess calcium and preventing harmful stones from forming. Start your day with a glass of fresh orange juice or snack on slices throughout the day for a natural boost. Adding oranges to your diet is a small step with big rewards. Protect your kidneys and enjoy the zesty taste. In third place, let's dive into a fruit that's often called nature's kidney cleanser, pomegranates. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants and potassium, which help detoxify the kidneys and reduce oxidative stress, a key concern for diabetics. Pomegranates contain punicalagins and anthocyanins, which act as natural detoxifiers, helping to flush out toxins and shield kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology indicates that regular pomegranate juice consumption significantly reduces markers of kidney inflammation and improves renal function. Punicalagins are like tiny cleaning agents, working to purify and protect your kidneys from harmful buildup. Add pomegranate seeds to your yogurt, sprinkle them over a salad, or enjoy a glass of freshly squeezed juice for a daily detox boost. Embracing pomegranates is a powerful step toward protecting your kidneys and revitalizing your health. In second place, here's a creamy and nutrient-packed powerhouse that's perfect for your kidneys: avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and potassium, essential for balancing electrolytes and reducing kidney strain, especially in diabetics. The potassium in avocados acts like a regulator, balancing sodium levels and reducing high blood pressure, one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Meanwhile, their monounsaturated fats support overall kidney health by promoting a healthy lipid profile. A study in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that diets rich in potassium, such as those including avocados, reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease progression by 24%. Potassium is like a traffic controller, ensuring that fluid and mineral levels in your body remain balanced and stress-free for your kidneys. Spread avocado on whole grain toast, slice it into salads, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy, health-packed addition to your meals. Adding avocados to your diet is a delicious way to protect your kidneys and empower your body to thrive. In first place, we unveil the ultimate fruit for safeguarding your kidneys: cranberries. Cranberries are renowned for preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can lead to kidney complications. Their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make them a must-have for kidney health. Cranberries contain proanthocyanidins, which prevent harmful bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining, reducing the risk of infections. They also help lower inflammation, protecting the kidneys from further damage. A study in the Journal of Nutrition confirmed that regular cranberry consumption reduces the recurrence of UTIs by 35%, significantly lowering the risk of related kidney infections. Proanthocyanidins are like a shield, blocking harmful bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract and causing infections. Drink unsweetened cranberry juice, add dried cranberries to your trail mix, or include fresh cranberries in your baking for a tart and tangy health boost. Cranberries are a game changer for your kidney health, offering you a simple and effective way to protect these vital organs and live a healthier life.